Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Fortnite textures not loading on PC with clear and effective steps you can follow right away. First, restart your game and PC because temporary glitches can stop textures from loading properly. Next, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated, as outdated drivers often cause rendering issues. After that, go into Fortnite settings and increase texture quality and view distance, since very low settings can sometimes delay texture loading. Also, switch your rendering mode to DirectX 11 if you're using performance mode, as it can improve texture stability. Then, open the Epic Games Launcher, find Fortnite, click the three dots and select Verify to fix any corrupted files. You should also install the high-resolution texture pack if it's not already installed. Finally, ensure your game is installed on an SSD instead of an HDD for faster loading. These steps should fix texture problems and improve your overall gameplay experience. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.